Welcome to our YouTube channel, my tech students. Creating a faceless YouTube channel can add an element of mystery and intrigue to your content. Here are some faceless channel ideas that you can consider. 1. Mystery storytelling. Share captivating stories or narrations with a mysterious theme. You can create animated videos, use voiceovers, or combine text and visuals to engage your audience without revealing your face. 2. Art and drawing tutorials. Showcase your artistic skills by creating step-by-step drawing tutorials, painting demonstrations, or other forms of art. Focus on the process and techniques rather than showing your face. 3. Science experiments. Perform science experiments and demonstrations while providing explanations and educational insights. Focus the camera on the experiments, apparatus, and visuals rather than showing yourself. 4. Music production. Create music tracks, remixes, or compositions and share them on your channel. You can create visualizers or use other creative visuals to accompany your music without revealing your face. 5. Product unboxing and reviews. Unbox and review various products such as gadgets, tech accessories, or toys. Focus on showcasing the items and providing valuable insights rather than showing your face. 6. DIY crafts and projects. Share DIY craft ideas, home decor projects, or creative hacks. Focus the camera on the materials, process, and finished projects rather than showing your face. 7. Language learning. Teach languages through audio lessons, text-based tutorials, or visual aids. You can create engaging content without revealing your face by focusing on the language learning materials and exercises. 8. Stop-motion animation. Create captivating stop-motion animations using various objects, figures, or clay models. This creative form of storytelling can be done without showing your face. 9. Time-lapse videos. Capture and showcase the beauty of nature, cityscapes, or artistic creations through time-lapse photography. The focus will be on the visuals, with minimal need to show your face. 10. Educational trivia or facts. Share interesting facts, trivia, or educational content on a specific topic. Utilize engaging visuals, animations, or text-based content to engage viewers without revealing your face. Remember, with a faceless channel, it's essential to emphasize high-quality visuals, creative storytelling techniques, and engaging content. Developing a unique style and maintaining consistency will help you build an audience and stand out from the competition. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.